When I used to DJ, oh, ooh. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeShop.com. I've got more stuff from SpeedCubeShop. First off, this mat. This is wild. This might be my favorite mat ever. It's a lot to look at, and it's fun. But besides that, I want to look at the new Light and Shadow Cube, Intelligent Light Magnetic. Lightning Cube Magic 8 Lightning Effects. Don't know what that means. Box looks really nice though. Charging cable, USB-C. What else in the box before I just dump it? I got a bag. Pretty basic bag. But there is a bag. Oh, charging stand. So first off, there are stickers on the cube. It's very, very tight. Has a ball core, kind of like how the Bluetooth ones do. So it's a smaller, more compact design. You can see magnets in those corners and edges. And the caps do come off, but I don't know if there's actually any tension system there. So out of the box. Oh, part of the caps just broke off inside of there. Oh, it's a button. Ooh. Okay, so don't try to take off the cap. Completely unnecessary. Let's see what it's like without any light in the room. Glows fairly well, so you can see the colors through it. Oh, I just hit one of the buttons. There we go. So it looks like if you hit the yellow side, it turns it on and off, and then the white side changes the color. Let's solve it. Oh wait, does that final one just... Okay, we're going to try to solve this with it constantly changing. Okay, what this reminds me of right now, I used to DJ, and when I would practice, I need it just white. When I used to DJ, oh, ooh. When I used to DJ, wow, those look very similar. Sorry, I keep cutting myself off. When I used to DJ, part of my gear had lights on it, because of course you need lights when you're DJing. And when I was practicing, I would have lights going, but I also have cubes with me, because of course I would. And I found it was very difficult, if not impossible, to solve the cube when there was the black light setting. It was very difficult to do that. So I ended up just using challenges and trying to solve it like that, and I would get sick from it. But wow, I didn't expect all these different settings. I just expected this. But what is your favorite? Do you like the white? Do you prefer it to be green? Actually, let's checkerboard it. Blue. Blue's really nice. I like that blue. Pink. Red. Yellow. Strobe. We'll say this is strobe. Or fade. I think if I just had this plugged in on a stand and could leave it on for a while, I just have it strobe like this, or I mean fade, because it's subtle enough, but changes. So that is the YJ Light and Shadow Cube. It's available right now. I'll have a link in the description. Yeah, no need to try to pry the caps off. There's no tension system there. Definitely broke a couple of the latches as I did, but it went back on. And we have a on button and the color change. Oh, now that my eyes are adjusting, thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCubeShop for more news and reviews.